G'day guys, here I'm going to take you through a very quick look at 3D Paint so you can get started with some of your drawings. To launch, Windows, start typing Paint and select New. Okay, once in, you'll see up the top that you have brushes, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, stickers, text, effects, canvas, and 3D library. If your 3D library isn't there, you'll need to restart your computer and load it to make sure the internet is connected at the same time. Today I'm going to focus on 3D shapes. So once you click 3D shapes, you'll see that you have 3D doodle, 3D objects, and 3D models. This is going to focus on 3D objects and how you can create composite objects using one or more of these. So I'll start with the cylinder icon. I'm using a stylus, but it works just as well with your mouse pad or wireless mouse. Simply draw the shape, focusing on the corners so that it's even, and then you have a 3D shape that's selected. So 3D view shows you a different perspective, and up here where it says canvas, you can make it transparent or show the canvas or turn the canvas off. I prefer to turn the canvas off because then when you're looking at the 3D view, you can look all the way around. To look around, you right click and move your mouse. So to add a different shape to that, another circular based shape would go well. So I'll add a hemisphere, and so I might be drawing this and I'll line it up from my front view, make it a little bit wider. Place it down. You can even use the arrow keys, and that looks quite good. So that it's visible, I'll change the color. That looks good, but when you go to 3D mode, you will see that it hasn't lined up in that direction. So the key to this is line it up on one plane, so two-dimensional front view, and then from the 3D mode, turn it so that you're on the side, select, and then move it this way, and it should maintain the front view. So now when we look at 3D mode, it matches all the way around. Once you're happy with something and you don't want it to move separately again, you can select the whole group and you can group it. So this time when I select it and move it around, it all stays together. If you need to make adjustments because you're not quite happy with it, you can do ungroup and put it back in place and group again. And that's one way you can do. Now that I've done that, 3D Doodle is quite effective for certain freehand things that you need to do. So you start drawing your shape, and it's made into a soft 3D view. Once you turn it to its side, you can expand so that it's like that. Or shrink, obviously. So it's lined up on one plane, lined up on another plane, group, make it all one color. And that's the basics for getting your 3D shapes made.